In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark tasks as complete in Microsoft Outlook. If you use Outlook to keep track of your to-dos, this quick method will help you close out items the moment you finish them. It's simple, fast, and perfect for staying on top of daily work without digging through menus. First, go to Tasks. The quickest way is with the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+4. This jumps you straight into the Tasks area, so you can see your task list without any extra clicks. Depending on your version of Outlook, this space may be labeled Tasks or To Do, but the idea is the same. It's the dedicated view where all your tasks live, including anything you've created or flagged for follow-up. Once you're in your task list, find the item you've just completed. You'll see a checkbox next to each task. Click that checkbox. That's all there is to it. Outlook immediately marks the task as completed. You'll usually see a strike-through appear on the task name, and the text may gray out slightly. In many views, the task will also move into a completed section or disappear from your active list if the view is filtered to show only open tasks. This visual change is your confirmation that Outlook recognized the task as done. Behind the scenes, Outlook records the completion status and in most cases sets a completion date. That makes it easy to report on what you finished or simply review your progress later. If you're organizing by categories, priorities, or due dates, don't worry. Checking the box keeps all those details intact. It just flips the task from open to complete. If you ever click the checkbox by accident, you can reverse it by clicking the same checkbox again. The task will return to your active list just as it was before. This makes it safe to work quickly without worrying about losing track of something important. A couple of practical tips as you use this method.